Can improper air conditioning coil cleaning void your warranty and leave you without coverage when you need it most? Most manufacturers require that cleaning follow their specific instructions and use approved products and methods to keep warranty protection intact. Start by reading the equipment manual and any supplemental service bulletins to learn exactly what cleaners, water pressures, and access procedures are permitted. If the manual requires a licensed technician for maintenance, do not perform the service yourself because unauthorized work can be considered improper. When cleaning coils, avoid high-pressure rinses that can bend fins or dislodge factory-applied coatings because physical damage is a common disqualifier for claims. Use only cleaners listed by the manufacturer or neutral pH agents recommended for aluminum and copper heat exchangers, and rinse with low pressure from the clean side out to prevent pushing debris deeper. Document everything with dated photos, written notes of products and concentrations used, and a signed service log so you can prove the steps taken if a claim arises. Common mistakes start with skipping the manual and assuming all cleaners are equivalent, which risks breaking specific chemical or procedural requirements. The simple fix is to consult and follow the manual before touching anything. Another frequent issue is using high pressure or abrasive methods that deform fins or strip coatings and look like neglect. Prevent this by using low pressure rinses and soft brushes only as directed. People also fail to record maintenance activities, leaving no evidence to support a warranty claim. Solve that by keeping detailed dated notes and photos and, when possible, getting a technician to sign off. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects and maintenance like coil cleaning and warranty questions. We help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work. And we host a discussion community where people share experiences and tips about warranties and proper service practices.